Office jong katana Divisional Forest Officer Giant Hills Wildlife Division minta kasingi ha ka program bala pelong ha clear at Community Hall East Giant Hill District kala pin ko no ya ka jingraki ya ka tayo bakerpang ka Wildlife Week arajar san. U Dr. Per Vision nong tudu ubere u principal jong ka Giant Hill Eastern College clearian ha bakran ko mukong san uloong bandan ka jingket clear ya ka maryang kalong ka badan kam hado kata-kata ukentu ya ki kena school ki badan hakane ka program bakin pen priang ya ka khubor sha ki we ru bakin dup tep ba ka jing pyniap pathar ya ki mrad kalong ka ba beaiñ ka balong kat kum ki kyndon an jong ka Wildlife Protection Act bala maham pat manaru ban bam pat ban de ya ki do jong ki mrad klaw. Range Forest Officer Joai and Kyang Wildlife Range uba eslo ulong bat pinshai bat nalor ka klaw narpo wildlife sanctuaries ki danru ki klaw ki bajukhat ki community reserve forest bat kini ki kentop ya ki klaw shnong ki klaw kur ki klaw kentang ki klaw nyam ki badan ka jingetrai lang bat katanat wildlife loong ru banakal yang katanat wildlife ki jupen up da ki kor ring dur ne ki kamera hapo ki klaw bat ya ki kamera bat ling ba ki kamera ko office kala yo ban ring dur ya ki babon ki jat mrad ki badan hapo ki klaw ki batap ki badai ki community reserve forest bat ki mrad ki badan hanarpo wildlife sanctuaries ha ringkat ki jingpen idur ling ba ka projector uba eslo ula airu ki jing batai lingkot syapang ki mrad ki badan hagi klaw. Ka Divisional Forest Officer Giant Hills Wildlife Division Joai ka kong en lalu IFS ka balakran bat pensyai halor ki kyndon an bayadai bat ka jingadai ki mrad klaw ka Wildlife Protection Act bat kala kenturu ban long husiar baha yo kyndon hapo ki an bat ka kenturu ban long ki bashim khia ban ai ki jingadai ki mrad klaw khanang ban dubla ban pene pensa yaki bakin imsuk hapo ka maryang.
The forest or the wildlife habitat which are owned by the local communities. It can be a village community, it can be a religious group, it can be a clan. Okay? Tagini ki community reserve to ki klo chnong, nani ki klo thao, nani ki klo balang, ki klo raj, ki klo kor, tu em chnong at thao i, tu da tip met da sarkar, langba ka tiga an ko wala pchanag, ko ya ki klo da tip met ki kam ki community reserve. But da em ka tiga an ko te iki wa mau psia ko maris ko klo, mau penjulori ya ki klo tap tu em po ko klo ko da tibet kam ko community reserve bat kam jo u ya dai sim ki do ki mrad ko rek brek go em ko po em ko klo the e ko office the ko jo perman i jo le ni exercise mo en pam sivet apo lum jai tia wi am so jai sivet utane un kom no yo large Indian civet uni to Himalayan palm civet also known as Mars palm civet. The third one is small Indian civet, and the fourth one is the common palm civet. Do you know it? The leopard cat to kita jai merat, kita small cat. Ma, kani bonse tiga office jo lai pelet imi ki merat.
Animals. With this message, I want to conclude that one author said, that Theodore Roosevelt said that the wildlife and its habitat cannot speak, so we must and we will speak for them. You know, wild animal cannot say anything, or they cannot speak. They will try to run away from you, but if they feel hungry, they will come to your place. They will eat food. If you preservation of animals, preservation of our plants, preservation, the whole thing, our biodiversity is very, very important. As we all said now, that the contribution we got from them. Even snake, we got benefit from frogs, we got benefit from birds, we got benefits. And our